Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the Animate Trigger tool in Geometry Dash. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to add your animation. Now basically in my case I'm going to be animating this specific monster shooting a fireball out of its mouth. Now from here I'm going to upsize this by clicking on the scale, and then I'm going to select it this way. From there, you then want to click on the Edit Group button, and then let's add this to Group 1. So let's click Add, click on OK, and then let's move to the other editor right here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to add your fireball. So in my case, once again, since I'm animating a fireball, I'll then add this onto its mouth right here. And you want to do the same thing for this one, which is to edit its group. And for this one, I'll then make it group ID 2. From there, let's then add the animate trigger. So it's going to be inside this specific column. And then we have animate. So in my case, I'm going to place it this way. And basically, just head over to the edit object. From here, you then want to select the group IV for your monster. In our case, it's going to be 1. And the animation IV, which is going to be the fireball, is going to be number 2. From there, to finally move or animate the fireball moving away from the monster, we want to add another trigger called move. So you just want to place this below your animate trigger. And basically from here, once again, click edit object. Since our target or our fireball IV is going to be 2, you then want to put number 2 right here. And then basically for the move, I'll then move it faster. So let's select something like 0.19. For the easing option, I'm going to select elastic in, click on OK. And so from there, basically, if we play out our level, the monster should speed out the fireball that we have made. Now it's really going fast, so let me just edit that real quick for you. Let's maybe change this into something like -500. Click on play, and basically, that's how you use the Animate Trigger in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.